Let's begin by understanding the context of People of the Philippines v. Jomerito S. Soliman. This case started with a petition for review on certiorari, filed by the people of the Philippines. They challenged the Court of Appeals, affirmation of the Quezon City RTC's conviction of Jomerito S. Soliman for online libel under the Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012. Soliman had posted defamatory statements on Facebook, accusing agriculture official Waldo Carpio of corruption and misconduct. The RTC found Soliman guilty and imposed a 50,000 fine, which the Court of Appeals upheld. The people argued that this penalty was too lenient, believing that imprisonment should have been imposed instead. This set the stage for the Supreme Court to review whether the lower courts acted within their discretion. Moving forward, the Supreme Court examined whether the Court of Appeals and RTC had gravely abused their discretion by imposing only a fine for Soliman's conviction. The Supreme Court affirmed the decisions of both lower courts, emphasizing that the imposition of a fine alone was within judicial discretion. This discretion is rooted in Article 355 of the Revised Penal Code, which is incorporated into the Cybercrime Prevention Act. The court clarified that cyberlibel simply extends traditional libel to digital platforms, retaining the same elements: defamation, publication, identifiability, and malice. The penalty for libel, whether online or traditional, may be either imprisonment or a fine. The trial court's choice to impose a fine was not arbitrary, given the circumstances of the case. Finally, the Supreme Court's ruling clarified an important legal principle: judicial discretion governs sentencing for online libel. The medium of publication, whether print or digital, does not alter the nature or elements of the offense. This means that courts may choose between imprisonment or a fine, depending on the facts and circumstances of each case. The decision provides guidance for future cases involving cyberlibel, ensuring that penalties are not automatically harsher simply because the offense occurred online. It also reinforces the idea that the law treats online and traditional libel similarly, focusing on the core elements of defamation, publication, identifiability, and malice. This clarification helps both legal practitioners and the public understand how cybercrime laws are applied in the Philippines.